but in a good way, or like not in a direct way. Like you're not asking in a direct way, saying, "Can you drop me Diwata?" Like that. You're like asking for a gift, but in a different way. Did you understand it? I can't explain it in English because there's no particular word for budol. Yeah, it's indirect as asking for something. Indirect, indirect way. Hmm. Let me Google it. Okay. I don't think there's an English term for budol. Swindling. 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 Swindling ba? Is it like swindling? Swindling. Yeah, swindling. So it's like that, swindling. Ang talino. Totoo. Hi, Xiao Shenzi. Sayaw na. Okay, let's go. Let's dance. Because our friend from Hawaii asked us to dance the budots. Then we'll do it. Oh, clear. Let's voice budots. You got it right. Uy. I don't like that. Hi, Harry! Bakit naman ganito yung ano? Ganito ba talaga yung tunog ng budol? Anong may tawag dun? Ay, paro-paro G na lang. Paro-paro G. Parang turotot yun, no? Yan. This one, this one. You still there? There's an ads.
Sabi nila, isa akong pagkakamali.
Sorry, there's an ads.
Pinakita ko ang tibay ng aking ngiti.
What kind of dog was that? It's a teacup sized Bichon Frise. It's a Bichon. Let's go na guys. Drop na guys. Wet the bed na. Huy! You look shy when you was dancing. Yeah, because it's not my forte. What else do you wanna see me dance? Hi Nadine. Let's go na guys for 200k. Butterfly. Or pakokak. Wet the bed. Bed the wet. You want bed the wet? Ang expensive ng budots mo kasi. Ay, sorry po. Ano na guys? Parang umalis na yung mga may balik yan. Ay, Nika Seron. Ayan na, si Ate Ingrid. Sabi ko naman sa inyo eh. Oh. Yan yung mga masarap yung tulog mamaya, si Ate Ingrid. Sabi ko sa inyo. Oh. May butal na naman. Patay tayo dyan. I don't like ang tawag dyan. English ng butal guys. Dali, go. Help. Send help. Makabalik na lang yung butal. Excess. We don't we don't tolerate excess dias. We need to close it. Let's close it to 250. A remainder. Bye na guys. Uy, don't leave me. Don't leave me guys. Kasalanan ko pa pala. Okay, thank you so much Ate Ingrid. I love you. Sayaw na lang tayo ng iba. Just minus 2.1 kg. Okay. We'll just minus it. More pa daw ni ng Ingrid. Where's our friend? Umalis na ata siya. No, she's still there. I know she's still there. Are you still there? Ubus na po. Are you still there, Queen Bay? Yes, she's still here. Do you want me to dance it in a hyper way? Without being shy? I'm gonna dance it in not so shy. It's okay. Okay, I'm gonna dance it without being shy type. Again, let's do it again. You work hard for this, don't you? Yes, I really work hard for this because it's my only source of income. So, I'll do anything just to earn. Again. Let's go. Hi there, G. Make me drop you something then. Oh, okay. Let's go. Or maybe. Hi there, G. Oh, I lag. Number. Okay, I'm gonna dance Wet the Bed. Just don't work hard for it. Just relax. Okay. You want me to dance a relax song? Okay. Let's do it. Wet the bed.
Mag-Centrum Advance. Tulong proteksyonan ang resistensya, energy, puso.
Uy, akala ko ba matutulog na kayo? Daming ads. Okay, let's go. Let's go. It's kind of sexy. Yeah, it's my genre. Ang gano'n, ay! Sige, ibahin natin. Ang lakas ng ulan pero ang init. Waka-waka ang putik. Ano yun, this? Big boy. Yung big boy. Oh. Big boy. Ito. Ah. Ito yun, oh.
Hey, Lods.
Sobrang sama ito.
Play button.
Something Carla? Tahong ni Carla! Tahong ni Carla! Am I right? Yellow. Hanapin natin. Tahong ni Carla. Tahong ni Mama Carla. Tahong ni Carla. This one? Wait lang. Asan na yung sayo nun? Just kidding. Budots din yun eh. Let me see, let me see. Ay, joke lang daw. This one? No! We don't joke here. We do anything. Okay, we'll do it then. Joke. Joke, I'm just kidding. Okay, okay. I'm not gonna do it. Joke lang nga. I'm tired. Tama na kayo, tahong. I need some air. Ang hirap kumita. Napagod siya, be. My husband loved that song. Really? How? How come? How did he hear that song? Is he a Filipino? He got Kumu too. Oh, I see. Nice. Ulan plus tahong. Ano daw? Wait the bed. Ang slow ko dun ate Hani ah. Ah, gets. Ay nako. Wet the bed. 2 MB ah. OMG honey lol. Uy, nagets niya. Nagets niya. She got that. I got that one lol. Are you half Filipina? She got them. Ngayon lang to nag-loading. Oo nga eh. Hiningkala ko dun, be. Do you look like one Pinay? Ay, do I look like one Pinay for you? Kinda. You have a glimpse of a Pinay. Glimpse? Pinch. Sort of. uh, I'm German, Italian, Mexican. Oh, really? Oh, I see. German, Italian, Mexican. Nice. So you speak Mexican and Italian. Also Brazilian. Wow. Ang dami niya mixed breed. Aba, tatlong lahi. Oo nga eh. Galing. Kami din, but I love Pinoy food. Yes, because Pinoys are yummy. I mean the Pinoy food. Ay, hindi ba? Hindi. Ano, the food. Pero both. Pwede both. Totoo naman din, di ba? Oh, tama. Dubis Sean Queen Bay. Oh, what did you say? I never got Pinoy man, so I don't know. Yes. You should. I know you have husband. Is he your husband or your boyfriend? Sabihin ko sana, yeah, you should. Yeah. So it's a no-no. You should pa nga. Mali. Aba nag-away, no? Pagtapos. Need a big boy. Hiningal ako dun, B. I've been married for like 6 years and been together 11 years now. Wow! Oh, wag kayo, guys. Wag kayo. That's a goal. Goals. Goals. It's coffin season. The boys are. I need the big boy. Faithful wife. Yes. Sana all. Sana all. You know, sana all. Hope all. Hope everyone. Hope everyone. Okay, listen, go live on Friday here, so it's like Saturday there, but I don't. But I got you. I promise. Oh, Saturday. Saturday. This coming Saturday. What time? This earlier charge for you. I'm saving this one and for my friend. That's why. Oh, sheesh. Okay, okay. I'll wait for you. Thank you so much. Just message me on IG. Okay. I will go live on Saturday around this time too. And I will send it to you. Hindi, Friday daw sa kanila. Saturday sa atin. Yan na, 2 MB ha. uh, I budol my husband to recharge. Oh, supportive husband. Ganyan dapat magka-jowa, guys. Supportive. Supportive husband. You have a very supportive husband. So, nagagamit na niya budol. Yes. She knows how to use budol now. That then maybe I use his account to send you some there too. Oh, okay, 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 okay. I'm 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 excited. Shee! Abangan natin, guys. But I won't expect anything so that I can get surprised. You got you got this. May balik 'yan. Oo. Ano may balik 'yan, guys? Sabado na ba bukas? Tagal ng Sabado. Hindi pa. Excited kayo mag-Sabado? Siyempre ako din. Nilista na ba natin? Wag. Thank you in advance. Kayo din. Ano pala oras sa March 3? Mga 3 p.m. po. Pero 1:30 ako hindi, briefing pa lang yan. Siguro maganda to, nandun na kayo mga 2 p.m. Para sure. Big boy nga sa Robinson. Sige. Uy, si KP. Hi, Kumu Police. Just on Saturday, just do like solo for like 30 minutes, then you do 9 slots so your friend can get some too. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. I'll invite I'll invite my friends. Uh, I'll invite you guys. Para may pangbagsak kayo. Oh, 'di ba? Hindi na kayo makokonsensya. We need to share some blessing. Yes. That's a good idea. Masend ng link ha. Siyempre nandun na manonood naman kayo eh. This coming season and all the girls have it. Bye kayo. Ang tagal ng Sabado. Ba, excited kayo ah. Queen Bay, they're excited on Saturday. Okay, I'm gonna dance the Carla song for you. Me too. Yes, I'm excited. This coming season. Who's the friend that you are saving? 1M. Maybe I know him or her. Cathy Perlado. Hello po. Dati ka nasan po kapatid ko? Si Baby Sean. Dito. Oh, Carlians. Carlians. At least, meron na rin kayong pangtabi. Pangbagsak kay Lahams. So, di ba? Yes. Thank me later. Wow. So humble. Hands down. Hands down to Queen Bay. Oh, papa-up ko din sila Hams. Thank you later. Thank you later, Queen Bay. Thank you later, Queen Bay. I'm actually saving for someone I care. He's in Pinas. Oh, can you? Oh, okay. I need someone to take care of. I need I need someone to take care of me too. Charot. Hindi mali. Please take care of me too. No, we're just kidding. Nikki's coming season. Aba, naghanap ng nurse. Me too, Queen Bay. Hindi. Uy, ano kayo? Sige na nga, kayo na lang. You actually got him a 6-month visa to come here so he will be there on May. Wow. Wow, yeah. Be here on May. Oh, nice. Solid Hawaii. Hana kami din para makita na namin si Ninang Alexi. Hindi, yan nyo lang. Good Samaritan. She's a good Samaritan. She helps people. The Who Queen Bay. No! Don't ask for it. I'm actually coming back to Pinas on August. Maybe we could meet you, Queen Bay. Kuya Carl, di ba ikaw yung selo? Yes! I'm the one who's in K-Idol. I be in. Okay. We'll see you. I'll be in Manila. Okay. We're just here in Manila, so I guess we will see you there when you come here. Well, that one play ako. Annalyn Nuntong. Oh, you guys wanna know my name? Yes! What's your real name? Ay! My friend's name! What's your friend's name? Howard Reynalyn. Nails. Oh, with these nails. Oh, she got nails. Long nails. I guess. You got your nails done? Oh, tulog na yung baby brother mo. Si Shawnee. I should just come up but I'm in bed. Oh, maybe next time. Let's go. Hi, Nicole. Daddy, may BF na po ako. Wow! Sana all. I hate typing. Yeah. So you could just go up so that But next time. I hope all, Cassie. Cassie! Hindi ka papasok sa school, Cassie. Thank you po. Bata ka pa, Cassie. Naunahan mo pa si Ate Nicole. I try to understand on the chat, but I can't. Sorry, they're speaking in Tagalog. Di mag-live ba? Di ko alam eh. Mag-live yun if mabetan niya mag-live ulit. Mag-live daw siya ulit. 2 a.m. Di siya ano? Di siya naka 50k kanina. Naka 50k siya, 71. Di ka mo siya naka 100. Hala, makakasali ako sa makakasali ako sa 1M sprint. Queen Bay! Ano? Bakit ano? Why you still awake? What time now there? It's 2 a.m. Queen Bay, it's uh, ano ba? Paano ko sasabihin? Don't say my name like that. Oh, what's your what do you want me to call you? Naglag ako. What do you want me to call you? Raynaline? Or Queen Bee? Should I call you Queen Bee? Queen Bee. So that I will be the only one who's gonna call you Queen Bee. Sure, okay. I'm gonna call you Queen Bee. Queen Bee! I'm the only one who's gonna call you Queen Bee. Boss Angelors! Parang Beyonce lang. Oo nga, Queen Bee. Boss Queen Bee. No, don't call her Boss Queen Bee. She wouldn't like that. Grabe ka na. Bakit, boss? Not boss, lol. Okay, daw, di ba? Ayaw niya tawag siyang boss. Ang sarap mo. Wala, decision to si Nazli, oh. Decision ka ba, be? What about master? No, not master. Naglo-log? Yan, nag-lag na nga po. Huy! It's lagging. Oh, decision siya, be. I know you have Gcash. Yes, why? It's our e-wallet here in the Philippines. I have Gcash. Okay. I will. Kami din meron. Uy, hindi. Uy, hindi. Anong amin din? Sa pag Gcash, oh. Uy, hindi. What your dream to get for yourself or your GF? Huh. Dream my goal now is to have a new phone because my phone is kind of lagging right now. Yeah, but I'm gonna what do you call this? I'm gonna make ipon, save for it. Yeah, I'm gonna save for it. I'm gonna work hard for that. Kasama si Mahalya E. Oh, wag siya kasama si Laham. Yeah, I'm saving for it. Travel Hawaii. No, para mahirap kasi magka-visa sa Hawaii, guys eh. New phone, what kind you have right now? It's an iPhone, but it's kind of lagging because it's been 2 years since I got this phone, and I always use this for my live stream, so it's kind of overused. You know what I'm saying? I always use it for live streaming, for making contents. Oh, really? Did you know that my Did you know that my birthday is September? What you like beside phone? Oh, woo. What you like beside phone? I like shoes. Kotse, no, no, not a car. Birthday is August. Your birthday is August? Yeah, I like car, but it's too expensive, guys. It's too expensive. Too expensive. Not car. Bayat lupa. No, not house in land. Come on, guys. No, but I can. It's up to you. It's up to you. Yeah, whoever guess what day is my day, I give you 1,000 Gcash. Oh, okay. August 13. August 10. Oh, 18. Who said that? Is there someone who said it right? August 18. Before you said it. Ang bibilis nyo. Ang bibilis nyo mag-comment ah. Oh, by the way, Queen Bee, I was saying earlier, yeah, someone got it. But I didn't know who got it. Who got that right? I didn't see it. Did you see it? I did. Oh, so you did. Okay, okay. By the way, I was saying earlier, Queen Bee, in our agency, we have 2M Sprint. I don't know their name. Oh, I don't know either. So who got that right? Me. Everyone is the winner. So now they're all winners. What? Their name start YH. YH! Sino yun? Oh, ba nagpalit na ng ano to? Yel! Oh, Yel! Yel Amora. Yel! Yel, are you there? Yel. Comment. Press 1, Yel. Ayun! She's there. Yel Amora. Wow, congratulations! 1,000 Gcash for Yel! Shee! Oh, di ba? Message me. Oh, she. Congrats, Yel. More. More. Next question, please. Was August 6th? What? That's my birthday. Ano na, umiyak na. Ano daw? Hindi, may naririnig ako. I hear something. Tuloy mo na sasabihin mo sa kanya. Oo nga, ano nga yung sasabihin ko? I follow you. Pinalo ka na daw niya, Yel. Twin challenge. Oh, by the way, Queen B, I was saying earlier, in our agency, we have a 2M sprint challenge, 1,000 or load. Yel, message Queen B. She followed you. Hi, love Master Joycey. Ayun, we have a 2M sprint challenge, and thanks to you, I might get uh I might get that 2M quickly. But I'm not saying that you're gonna drop 2M. I'm just saying that thanks to you, I'm gonna get that quick. Yeah. Monthly we have that challenge, 2M challenge sprint, 2M sprint. And we have 2M for what? Nothing, just a goal for us to push push more and doing live stream, and then we get incentives if we reach um 2M fast. So that's the challenge for us. Yeah, if we reach 2M early, we get some incentives. Yeah, so I'm excited for this coming Saturday. Let's go. Let's talk more on IG Explain. Okay, okay. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. By the way, guys, I'm gonna end my stream now. Thank you so much. I'm gonna sleep because my eyes are so tired. Yeah, you can see it. There's an eye bug in my eye, under eye. You see it? And that's hard work. That's hard work. Okay, guys, bye. Thank you so much. Bye, Carlians. Bye, Queen B. Thank you so much for dropping by. Don't work hard, lol. Yeah, I need to. I need to because I need to earn some money. I need to earn some money. So, bye, guys. Love you all. Bye bye. Thank you so much, Queen B. Thank you, Carlians. Bye. Love you.